you've ever wanted to live one block from the beach in Saint Augustine, this is it. Welcome to 152 Meadow Avenue in Vilano Beach. Fully furnished, move-in ready, and available now. This ranch-style home was built in 1999 and sits on a 7,405 square foot lot with no HOA. You've got a 2-car garage plus off-street parking with plenty of room for guests or extra vehicles. Step inside to an open floor plan that's been freshly repainted in a neutral gray palette throughout, clean, bright, and ready for you to just bring your suitcase. The whole home is fully furnished, so there's nothing to buy and nothing to move. The kitchen is fully equipped with a convection oven, electric range, dishwasher, microwave, ice maker, you name it. Everything you need to cook a full meal is already here. Down the hall, the primary suite is the real showstopper with a king bed, a walk-in closet, and a spa-like ensuite bathroom with a jacuzzi tub. This home uses a split bedroom floor plan, so the primary is tucked away from the other 2 bedrooms for extra privacy. There is also a washer and dry in the garage, a new AC system, smart locks, and a smart thermostat. Tucked away on the opposite wing of the residence are 2 more bedrooms. One is perfectly tailored for children with 2 twin beds, while the other provides a peaceful retreat with a queen bed. They share a beautifully appointed guest bath, showcasing a contemporary vanity and a pristine tub shower combination. Now for my favorite part of the property, the backyard oasis. This fully fenced private retreat features an outdoor deck, a barbecue setup, and relaxing loungers. It offers the perfect space to relax and unwind after a beautiful day at the beach. Location is everything. And speaking of the beach, you're just 1 block away. Plus, you're right down the street from a local park featuring basketball, pickleball, tennis, and a playground. Exceptional shops and restaurants are right nearby too. Families will also love that this home is zoned for Linus Elementary, Sebastian Middle, and Saint Augustine High. This home is available now for $3,200 a month on a 12-month lease. Fully furnished, no pets, no smoking. If you want to schedule a showing, give me a call or send me a message. I'm Domenico Opiela with Location, and I'd love to help you make this your next home.